Hi, it's Tina here. So I'm going to give you 4 easy cooking hacks that are going to make your whole week a breeze. So first and foremost, you got to do a little meal prepping. Even if it's just for an hour on Sundays, it's going to make a world of difference. Second, plan for leftovers. Third, batch roast your veggies. I'm going to show you some of mine today. And fourth, you want to keep certain foods in your pantry that are going to be staples there just in case. That makes everything easier. So let's go back to the meal prepping. Last week I made chicken thighs, boneless, skinless chicken thighs, enough for my week of lunches. This week I'm taking 2 big packages of chicken breasts, cubing them up and sauteing them, not with any spices or anything at all, just leaving them as is because I'm going to use them for all different meals. I'm going to have enough for my 5 days of lunch because I want to throw them into a salad and that will be my protein, right? But I'm also going to be able to use them throughout the week. So that's like planning for leftovers. Point number 2. When you make extra protein, then you can come home, throw those cubes of chicken into a stir-fry pan, add some vegetables and little brown rice, and you're good to go. Add some tomato sauce and a little brown pasta, you're good to go. Or take some veggies, roll it up with the protein, make a wrap. It's that easy. So, number 3, batch roast your veggies. So look what I did here. I made 2 different trays of veggies. Both of them seasoned differently, but I just threw everything in. There's mushrooms, there's cherry tomatoes from the garden, carrots, broccoli, onions, sweet potato, peppers from the garden. Tossing them all, drizzled with a little bit of olive oil. I'm gonna put them in at 400, my favorite temperature, right? At 400 for 20 minutes to a half an hour. I'm just gonna keep an eye on them until they're soft. Then I'm going to put them all in a Tupperware. I'm going to use them all week, right? I'm going to take some to make my salads heartier and have a little bit heavier carbohydrate in it for lunches. Plus it's already seasoned with no salt. Mrs. Dash, I used garlic and herb for one, Southwest Chipotle for the other, right? The other thing is I can come home from work, throw these veggies in something, make a wrap with them like I said before, make a stir fry, throw them into some diced tomatoes and make a bit of a sauce with some pasta. Makes it really easy. So what about the foods that have to stay in your cupboard? Well, I would suggest always keeping cans of tuna. And I buy the tuna in water and usually I rinse it really good and I can throw it in and it's an easy protein. Second, you want to have cans of diced tomatoes. You want to have nut butter. You want to have oats. You want to have brown rice, brown pasta. For me, I use sprouted grain pasta, spelt pasta, which is awesome because I choose to use wheat less in my diet, but it's a personal choice. Those are the 4 tips to make your week really easy, and I hope it helps. I hope you try it. So, meal prep. Takes a little bit of time on a Sunday afternoon, but it makes you good for the whole week. Plan for your leftovers, batch roast veggies, works every time, and keep certain foods in your pantry. That's it for this week. I hope everybody has a good one. And listen, if you are wanting more solutions to keeping your body lean, right, and eating with a balance of proteins, fats, and carbs, come and join us in Menopause Weight Busters. You will see down in the description, there's a link to hit and you can come and join us. We're a great community of women that are battling the battle of all battles, that menopause. Anyways, that's it for me. I hope you all have an amazing week. Bye.